Got my loyal client here. I was like, girl, what? This is what happens when you're consistently waxing. There's barely anything that grows. We're gonna start off by cleansing the area. Make a little code. Then we're gonna go in with some powder. Just a little bit, because girl. Alright, we're gonna do the wax up since her hair is growing upwards. So we're gonna start down here. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. Do a little lip. Let that dry. And we are using Sexy Smooth Wax Golden Allure. This wax has been my favorite wax ever since I started with them. It dries so fast and picks up everything. So I literally stuck to this brand because it's so worth it. So affordable compared to other waxes. And it does the job better than most expensive waxes. We're gonna lift it up a little bit. Y'all see how fast this dries? Yes. Look at that. Yes. No strip needed, but I'll do a cleanup strip just in case. A little cleanup strip. It's not needed, but yeah, no. Might feel a little hot since you don't have that much hair left. Now we're gonna go backwards. Is that okay? Yes. Just a little strip. Baby strip. Lift it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my waxing lovely ingrown potion. Spray it. Yes. There we go.